Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Subaru Outback key fob. First, you'll need to confirm your key fob is the programmable type, typically an older, teardrop-shaped model. Next, carefully open the key fob to find the 8-digit transmitter number printed inside. It's crucial to write this number down accurately. Finally, make sure you are seated in the driver's seat with all doors closed and the vehicle's ignition completely off. Now, let's get your vehicle ready for programming. Begin by opening the driver's door, then use the door button to unlock all the vehicle's doors. Once all doors are unlocked, close the driver's door securely. Insert your key into the ignition. The next step requires speed. Turn the key from the off position to the on position, where the electrical systems activate, and then back to off, repeating this 10 times in rapid succession. After the rapid key turns, you should hear a chime and see your dome lights flash, indicating the vehicle is in programming mode. You now have approximately 45 seconds to enter your key fob's 8-digit transmitter number. For each digit, press the driver's door lock button the corresponding number of times, then press the unlock button once. After completing the first sequence, repeat the entire 8-digit process a second time to confirm the entry. To finalize the programming, listen for the vehicle's locking system to click, which confirms the code was accepted. Next, open and close the driver's door, then press either the lock or unlock button on your key fob. Remove the key from the ignition, and you should hear another confirmation chime. Finally, open and close the driver's door one last time, wait about 5 seconds, and then test your key fob to ensure it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.